In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Xbox gift card on your mobile. So you first need to head over to the Xbox app on your phone. If you don't already have this installed, then you can easily download it from the App Store. Once you're on the Xbox app, click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then click on your settings icon in the top right. Then you need to scroll all the way down to support and feedback, and from here, click on help topics. Then from the drop down, select play your games, and then scroll down and select how to redeem gift cards and codes. Then scroll down again and select how to redeem a code from a PC or mobile web browser. Now all you need to do is click on the redeem your code or gift card button, and that's going to go ahead and take you over to the Microsoft website. You may be required to re-sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, you just need to enter the 25 character code that can be found on your Xbox gift card. Make sure to type this exactly as you see it on your card, including any capitalization in the letters. Once you've entered this code, you can simply click the next button and it will tell you how much balance is on the card, and you'll be able to redeem that on the Xbox app. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.